This should be enough light. Morning, Frank. It is Monday. I am still in Illinois at my friend's house, and we have no power. We had a really crazy storm, and that storm took out our power. You can open it. Wow. Holy shit. Holy.
Turn the light off.
Oh, where the power went out.
Oh. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, let's close
Yep. Yeah, power went out.
Okay. Let's
Power's going in and out. I was expecting to wake up this morning with power, but apparently not. We went through the whole night without any electricity. So I'm just gonna get out of the basement and film upstairs where there's actually light. So yeah, it's kind of annoying to not have electricity, but it kind of reminds me of the conversation we had just yesterday about how there are people with different personalities that are better or worse at kind of handling change. Okay, so there's people where when there's fluctuations to their plans, so let's say they're supposed to go out with their friends at like 6 p.m. and let's say a friend says, "Oh, I'm gonna be running late. 30 minutes late. Is that okay?" And even something as simple as that is something that can stress them out. So I think part of the reason why we are good at handling fluctuations and changes of plans is maybe partly because our family does that all the time. Our family's not the best at doing things on time, but for the most part, they're good at getting things done. And we were talking about how our fast-paced digital age is. I mean, there's always fluctuations and changes. It's always a changing environment. And so it's actually kind of rather interesting how there are people that feel stressed under seemingly minute changes, but they may or may not be minute. It's really hard to put it to scale, but it seems to be potentially maladaptive. I don't know. I think that's a pretty big, bold statement because, I'm just saying anyone that is anxious, it's not doing so well nowadays, which is kind of the case. Anyway, I think that's something that we can definitely further discuss. I think that's my fan over there. But yeah, those are just some random thoughts. I'll talk to you later, Frank. See ya. So because I have no power, I have resorted to playing harmonica and Christian's ukulele. Ooh, that's a good one. How the fuck did I do that? Good thing I got that on camera. Draw 6, blow 6, then blow 5. I got it. Oh my goodness, I got it.